Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use the WORKDAY.INTL function. The WORKDAY.INTL function in Excel is an enhanced version of the Workday function. It calculates a date, a specified number of working days before or after a start date, allowing for custom weekend days. You can also specify holidays to be excluded from the count of working days. This function is particularly useful in project management and planning, where you need to calculate due dates based on working days only. The WORKDAY.INTL function belongs to the group of date and time functions within Excel and returns the serial number of the date before or after a specified number of workdays, allowing custom weekend days. The syntax starts by WORKDAY.INTL, open parentheses, then you type in the start date, the days that you want to look into the future, and then you can define weekend days and holidays, and everything in brackets is as always optional. Start date is the starting date, days is the number of work days, weekend and holidays are optional, and define which days are weekend or holidays. So inside our data, as you can see, we have some dates in the order date section and some dates in the shipping date section. And I want to calculate the work days in the future from the shipping date, and I want to go 2 weeks into the future because I want to ship to a foreign country, and usually it takes about 14 days, and I want to know which work days or how many working days it will take for the shipment to arrive at our customer. So I start by saying equal workday.intl. I open the parentheses, and first of all I have to define a start date, which is our shipping date. And then I say usually it takes 14 days, so I type in 14. And you can of course also define negative days than you would go in the past. Then you can say, okay, what are weekends? And in the foreign country where I'm shipping to, Saturday and Sunday are usual weekend days, so I'll just go with 1. But you can also go with 2, then it would be Sunday and Monday, and you can scroll down and there's like every option. And in older Excel versions, you can also build a string of 7 zeros and 1s representing custom weekend days, with 1 meaning a weekend day and 0 meaning a working day. But for now, 1 is fine because Saturday and Sunday are our holiday or our days off. And last but not least, we have a holiday day, which is the 28th of March. And we close the parentheses again, we hit enter, and we get to the 14th of April 25. This is the expected arrival day of our shipment. And now we can adjust the format of this date. I just click on the shipping date, then on the format painter, and I click on my date in the future. And now I don't want to have a filling, so I click on no fill and I remove the border. Okay, and now I've calculated a date being 14 work days in the future, and I excluded the holiday, and I excluded every Saturday and Sunday. If I would, for example, go with 12, which is Monday only as a weekend, I would come to the 10th of April because this is a date that is not as far as in the future, because we have less weekend days. So 14 working days will be reached sooner. And this is basically how the WORKDAY.INTL function works. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.